right, guys, on floors, I normally will say something about people using the incorrect product on cleaning floors and stuff. This table gives us a great example of incorrect products. So if we see right here, this bald spot, when we touch the finish, it's sticky. So they're using a product on this table that breaks down the finish and makes it sticky, and it actually will take it off. So be careful of what you're using onto your finished floors, finished tables, and stuff like that. If it's acid based, it will break stuff down. This table is totally 100% sticky, and it's not that it's not clean, it's just that the finish had something start breaking it down. So be so careful on what you use on your floors, tabletops, countertops, and stuff like that. Make sure it's the correct stuff. Alright, this is Don with Homemade Reflections. Just a helpful hint, tips, cleaning products. It makes a difference. Thanks.